What's up, y'all? Justin here with NoPro Trading, and I just wanted to show you a quick trade that I made yesterday during live trading hours in the morning. So this is the voiceover. It's not, wasn't live. I'm not recording my voice live during the trade. So this happened yesterday. But I was interested pre-market in Pinterest. And so I was looking at the chart for Pinterest and seeing about jumping into a option call for that one. So I'm just looking, and let's see. You can see I already have two options that I swung, and those are in the red. They pretty much killed me. So I'm just going to end up closing those out here shortly. Those trades weren't any good. I was down on GE and NEO both. So I'll be closing those out and just taking a loss here any minute now. Thought I could speed this up. Okay, well. I'll speed this up once I can get to the point where I can, but right now it's just, I think it says 10 seconds till the open. I can't tell from my point of view. But I think that's what I'm waiting for, to open and then to hop into this trade. So let's see. Okay, I'm pulling over the trend bot charts, making sure I have those set up for Pinterest, the right sensitivity levels. That way I can jump in with confirmation that they're going to go in an upwards trend. So just looking at those pre-market at the moment. And let's see. It's like I'm going to go set up. Go ahead and put Pinterest in here. And it looks like the market opened. So we're within 5 minutes for sure. Looks like the 1 minute candle right there forming. So I'm looking for pins to break out, and it should go to reach at the highs if it closes above, if it gets above that $64 range. I haven't got into it yet. I'm just closing out these other orders. Or I thought I was. Yeah, looks like I'm just confirming these the NEO option call or put that I had in the GE. Yeah, it looks like, okay, right here I'm gonna go just sell market. I think I tried to do limit and it didn't get filled. And so I just switched it to market just to get filled and get out of it. Alright, so I'm out of Neo, now to GE. It's going to get out of that one as well. That one was a loss. And let's see. Not as big of as a loss, at least. I think it was like $11, $13 or so. It looks like I'm about to get in Pinterest before I close out Neo. Yeah, because I see it's starting to go up. Looking at that $66 strike. I like to go one strike price out of the money. That's usually my go-to. So there I'm in, or trying to get filled. I think I had to do it again because it took off without me. Oh wow, I did a 66.50. All right, I got filled on the 66.50 strike price. Now from here, I pretty much just ride the wave. Things still takes off. It was a good trade, good entry. A lot of volume kicks in, and I'm actually not even in this trade that long. See, it looks like I'm already up. I can't hardly see, but $4, maybe $6. Going back to Trendbot, checking out the charts, seeing what kind of signals I see. Can't tell if that's $17 or $8, but I'm definitely up at the moment. All right, sorry, stopped. All right, yeah, so I'm $22 up on Pinterest. Everything's looking good. Volume's coming in. Right now, I'm basically just waiting for a good exit with some profit. But as you can tell, this stock is strong and still going up. Had a little pullback on that last 1 minute candle, and then that next candle that opened up even higher and shot up even higher. So now I'm in the money. 66.50 strike is in the money, and $35 up on this one trade. And things are looking good. I think I'm thinking about selling right here. Got $40. Thinking about it. $0.24 spread. I'll have to do a limit because the spread's too big. If I do market, I won't get a lot of money. It'll be crap. A bit closer to probably the bid price than the ask. Drop down a little bit to 27. Haven't sold yet. On my other screen, I have the trend bot chart, so I'm pretty much staring at that, just making sure that that it's going the way I want it to go. That's why I'm holding. At $29.50 a profit. $32 a profit. Looking to sell at the ask because I'm getting a red candle in the 5 minute. But I think I hold off. I let it do a little pullback before I pull the trigger. So I'm showing that spread right there. It's too big to do a market, to get out with the market order. So I'm going to keep it on limit and try to sell on the ask price. So I'm back up to, I'm at $26 right now. Thinking that candle is going to keep going up, turn green. Got some nice big volume, some green volume bars too on the 5 minute chart. So right here I'm looking at trend bot again. I see that there's a firm candle on the 5 minute, which is awesome. But there's a sell on 1 minute. But I usually trade off the 5 minute, and so I'm gonna keep holding it. I think I can squeeze out a little bit more profit here. Back up to $32, 28. It's like 29. Just bouncing around. I think I'm trying to wait for it to get back in the 66.50 range. That way I'm in the money. Yep, and then there it goes, back in the money. And now I'm up $37. It's looking good. 34, 38. Yeah, basically I'm wanting to get in and get out. I don't want to get the 5-minute chart overextended and then, have a big pullback. So I'm looking at getting out here pretty soon. I think I'm about to pull the trigger. I'm at $40 profit right now. Don't get too greedy. Come on. Probably waiting for it to go a little higher. That way I can get filled somewhere within $40. $45, $47, and then bam, here we go. And I think I get filled pretty quickly. There we go, got filled. So bam, out green on that trade on Pinterest. It went in favor of what I wanted. So Trend Bot really helps you get in and get out, as you can tell. If you basically use it to confirm whether or not you want to get in, if you would have got in it, over here at the open, and you would have made from $65 or so, 50 cents, or I can't even see what that says, 50 to 66, almost $67. So it was a good profit if you get in. That's pretty much it for the trades. That was the best trade I had. I think I might have took one more. I know I'm closing GE right here just because there's no point in holding it. It's not doing nothing. It's just sitting there. So I'm going to sell it right here for $11 loss. Go here, look at what I'm up. So I'm up $42 for the day. I got 16, I think, dollars. Oh, excuse me, 16 or so. I think that's what it said. Settled cash that I could trade. But I really don't think I trade anymore. It looks like I can't see 40 something on that Pinterest trade and I lost. Of course, I swung Neo and GE, so those aren't the official final losing numbers. A lot worse than that. I'm just waiting to see what GE does. My strike price was at $10, so it's sitting at $9.70. I think I do get in one more trade for a small profit. Talking like $4. Let's see what happens. Yeah, F cell. Some battery company that was moving pretty good yesterday morning. And so I decided I found a cheap option call just to jump in and try to jump out, make a quick buck. And that's what I did. I think I'm looking at the trend bot, trading view charts, and what the trend bot's doing. think I might buy that $6 strike price. Thinking about jumping in here. Looks like it continues to go up. Yeah, at 560s I pull the trigger. See if I get filled. A $6 call. I think I changed it to a market just to get in. No? Okay. Oh, I didn't have enough money at that time? Oh, I had to go. $39. Like it got me out of my price range when it started going up. Yeah, so I'm doing a $7 call price now. See if I get filled. Yep. Okay, so SL option call at $7 strike price to try to make a quick buck, and because it's continuing an uptrend. And looking at TrendBot, and it's looking good. About to be at 580. Down $2, down $1, up $1, break even. I don't think this one lasts long at all. Up $5. I think I pretty much get out of here pretty quickly. Try to get out of market. I think I punch it here soon. Yeah, because the spread's 1 cent, so at this point, might as well just do market, get out of there. So I probably made $4 or $5 on that trade. Could have held it and made a little bit, a couple more dollars, but I ended up selling it, getting out of it. Just a quick trade, few bucks. Actually, looks like it goes up a little bit higher. I probably could have made $10 or so if I would have held on to it, but it's all good. I'm happy. I was green that day, so I was happy with what I had after having those two horrible swing Neo and GE trades. I was happy with walking away green the next day. I don't know why I'm sitting here staring at this thing. I'm already out of the trade. Just trying to piss myself off. Why'd you get out so early? Nah, see, it's starting to downtrend. Yep, there it goes. Alright, so I was pretty much done there. So 47 and 4 on that guy. So I made a little over 51 bucks and some change, which was awesome. I was happy with that. 2 trades, 51 bucks. And now I'm just gonna get out of this GE crap. I think that's all I trade. I'm just looking at some other stuff, yeah. Let me fast forward it for you guys.